Well, good morning, Yuriki. Don't know, my name is Yuri, and I'm making and posting these videos for myself as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. And I've started doing that for two very specific reasons. But before I do get into that, for the people that watch my videos every day, you can immediately jump to or skip to 2 minutes into this video so that you can skip the intro part. For everyone else watching for the first time, I started making these videos because basically I just got fed up of watching hours and hours of Bitcoin prediction YouTube videos, subscribe to five or more channels, and not getting what I'm looking for. And I'm sorry, this is just my opinion, but I don't want to hear that the price will go up or down today. I do not want to know what you predicted last month, last year. I do not want to see what hotel you're staying in, what country you're on holiday in, what car you just bought. In my view, all those type of videos are unrealistic. It creates unrealistic expectations of trading. Neither do I want to see emergency videos, danger entitled videos. In my view, I wanted to know about that danger beforehand and I wanted to be prepared for that. So, what do I want? I want to know what will happen today. I want to get in and out of my trade as quickly as possible with a correct prediction level, and I want my trades to be profitable. Secondly, I also want to rate myself, check the accuracy of my previous videos, better myself as a trader with the accurate percentage rating of what was predicted correctly and what was not. Now, with that said and done, and with the understanding that this is not financial advice and that I cannot be held responsible or accountable for any of this content, which is all my own opinions, let's jump right into this. Intro part done. Eriki, yesterday morning, it was more or less the same time. You said the price at that stage, let's just get a look at that one. Price at that stage was it was 34,850. So it was right over here. That is where I made my video, right over there. I said that today, that was yesterday, was one of those days where if you were not already in a long, I am thinking it's too risky to long. But I do still expect the price to go up. I won't play too much money if I do, and I'll have a very, very tight stop loss or take profit on any trade that I go into. I also said that I won't play any money out of that comes out of my own pocket. I would use money that I've made from previous trades. Again, too risky for me, so let's have a look. On the first prediction, I said the price is going to go up. Did the price go up from 28 34,850? It did, and it did not go up very much after that either. It went up to 35,200, so it went up another, well, let's call it another $450. So again, predicted price is going to go up. Correct. I said take a very tight stop loss or a very tight take profit. Done. That is correct. I also said that 9 minutes and 20 seconds into yesterday's video that I am thinking that the price will come down. It will come down and test this line, and from there it will go up, and that is where I will long. I said I will long from 32,795, which is exactly where I did my put my long in. The price didn't come quite down quite that low. It came down to 32,888. So I was out with that one with roughly about $100. So my personal trade on that one where I wanted a long did not enter. It still didn't come down and it still didn't enter, which is fine. You don't always have to be in a trade. So what does that do to my prediction record? I have now made and posted 28 videos in total. Of the 28 videos, 19 of them was correct, up from 18 correct yesterday. 6 of my videos was neutral where nothing much happened. It was basically the same price where it was when I made the video the previous day. 3 of them were wrong. And that gives me a 89.28% winning ratio, which is up from 88.46. Now let's have a look what's going to happen, what I do think is going to happen today. Price currently at this stage, or the time currently, is 28 minutes past 4 in the morning. Right off the bat, I can immediately see that there is a lot of uncertainty this time. Well, currently in the market, almost every candle has got a wick to it, either to the upside or to the downside. For the last 4 hours, the wicks to the upside are bigger than the wicks that they are to the lower side. But it basically still shows me that the market is undecided at this stage. I would still, I'm gonna still keep. My prediction for today is that from currently where the price is 34, let's call it 34.80, the price is gonna go up. I do expect that there's a good possibility that the price can even go as high as 26,800. But again, I'll be cautious. Somewhere over the line, this market has got to retrace. For the next couple of days, I do see that there might be a good possibility that the price might still move up. But I am getting cautious that we are getting close to the end. I won't short immediately though, because I'm thinking that if you do, you'll probably have to add a lot to that short. But for now, price 34 080. I'm thinking that the price could go up. It could go up as high as I say, as 36,800. But even before that, I would take the moment that I get into a profit on any of these trades, I would start taking a take profit, or I would put in a stop loss. I'm still more leaning towards the side that the price might come down to test this line of 32, let's call it 32,800. So my personal opinion, and on my personal position for today, I'm going to stick with the same one that I had yesterday. I am going to go into a long at 32,800. Oh, sorry, I'm lying. I am going into a long at when the moment that the price reaches this price, which is 32,800. Still quite a while where the price needs to come down, but I'll rather do that. At the same time, and the other one that I will do is I would go into a long at 33,800. If the price does come down, I will add to that one at 32,800, which will then move up my entry price, and it will give me a better position. So the long and the short to end off Eureka price when making the video 34,080. I'm expecting the price to go up today. I will keep it tight. I think it might go up to as high as 36,800, but I am cautious that we are nearing the end of these candles. I am expecting that there should be a retrace. I would enter at 32. Currently, I would go into a long at 33,800. I will add to my long at 32,800. And as the price goes down, I'll add more to that one to give me a better entry price. Again, tight stop loss and a very tight take profit. And with that, Eureka, let's end off with your 4 golden rules of trading. Firstly, don't get emotional about your trades. You cannot control the market, so don't get upset when a trade goes wrong. Prepare for what might happen and accept what you can't change. Number 2, never play with more than you can afford to lose. Every single trade has got risk attached to it. So if you can't afford it, don't enter that position at all. Don't even press enter on that position. Number 3, never ever enter a position that everything you've got at your disposal at immediately. Go in with intervals just for in case the price does go the other direction. By doing that, your entry price will also change and you'll have a better chance of getting out in a small profit, or you'll have a better chance just to break even. Number 4, take profit by putting in a take profit as much and as soon as you can. Rather enter the same position 5 times if you have to, than losing everything and all of your money at once. And with that, Eureka, trade, trust the triangle, trade the lines. Have a good day.